Hey guys, here we have our pressure guard box. Let's see, we have everything inside. So we got the quick start guide with the QR code, and we got the actual pressure guard itself over here. And in order to make it work and charge the battery, we got the power cord. Let's see if we can make it work. So every box has the quick start guide over here with the QR code. We got the Telegram set up to the phone already. All we have to do is take the camera app from the phone, scan the QR code. It will take us to the setting, and I just have to put my phone number over here, and then we're going to create a PIN number, and all we have to do is press the activate main IoT bot. And now we have done that. We can press the button to start it. All right, now I wish to add my colleague into the device as well. So we're gonna go on the settings page. We scroll down over here, we find edit numbers. I'm gonna quickly add my colleague's number over here. I add him as a user. And he's gonna search the main IoT there. Now we can go to find devices. We found the device. And he has been added and he's ready to use it. Excellent. All right, guys, we have set up the pressure guard to 0.19 bars, and we're going to demonstrate now the alarm system. So I'm going to ramp up the pressure to 0.7, and let's see how the pressure guard reacts. As you can see from the light, it starts to send the signal, and now we got the alarm that the pressure has exceeded the limits. All right, guys, the pressure guard is actually calling me now. Took about 3 minutes. We can answer it. And it says pressure guard alarm is active. Please check the device. All right, thank you guys.
Training courses. Tuli äly. Pressure current. Alles gut.
guard alarm is active. Please check the device. Pressure guard alarm is active.
Se oli
Please
out
check
of
the
frame.
Osittain.
Joo.
Otetaanko me uusi?
Joo. No nyt se on varmaan nopeampi.